Hello, I'm Dennis Inholson, Chief Learning Officer of the National Art Education Association. Thank you for your service to NAEA by volunteering to review proposals for the 2019 NAEA National Convention in Boston. Your volunteer efforts are greatly appreciated. The purpose of this tutorial is to help you with navigating the review process. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to log into iplanprime.eventready.com. Use only your designated email and the password Boston19. Next, change your password and write it down. The EventReady website looks like this. You'll enter your email and your password. And don't forget to change your password. You'll sign in, and there are some simple instructions. Please carefully review the criteria questions and score each section from a 1 to a 4 only. Again, only enters 1, 2, 3, or 4 in each of the criteria areas. Now these are example proposals. So I can choose Review right there or Score, and it'll take me to the same place. And there we have it. Presentation title, presentation description, brief program description, the track, and the presentation format. And then we have the proposal review form. You'll reflect on the above information to score according to the statement of purpose, organization of content, relevance of topic, and impact on practice. And each of these are worth 4 points. So enter, I'm just saying 3. Remember, these are examples. And maybe a 4, 2, and another 3. So this proposal has 12 of 16 points. And once I'm finished, I would hit Score this proposal, and I can move on to the next proposal that's on my docket of proposals I've agreed to review. And that's it. Just a few important reminders. Review all of the proposals that appear when you log in. Review the tracks, presentation formats, and the scoring criteria. Become familiar with those. Carefully review each proposal using whole numbers only, 1 through 4 per scoring criteria. No decimals. You must select the Score this proposal button for your scores to register. And our goal is to ensure the highest quality presentations. There are no set amount of slots accepted, and acceptance is based on the scores in available space. If you have questions, contact Kathy Deuce at kdeuce@arteducators.org. Thank you very much. Have a great day.